Hi teacher, welcome to my presentation. My presentation is going to talk about the RNA. Okay, the 5 new words that we are going to talk about are the sugar ribose, the uracil, ribonucleic acid, nitrogenous bases, and the RNA helix. The sugar ribose belongs to the RNA. The difference between the deoxyribose and the ribose is that on the carbon 2, the ribose have the oxygen, and on the deoxyribose hasn't this oxygen. The uracil is one of the nitrogenous bases of the RNA. The DNA doesn't have it, but instead it has the thymine. The RNA stands for ribonucleic acid. The ribonucleic acid has 4 nitrogenous bases. There are adenine, guanine, cytosine, and uracil. The nitrogenous bases are 5. The adenine, the guanine, the cytosine, the uracil, and the thymine. These 4 are for the DNA, and these other 4 are for the RNA. The RNA helix is this form that we see here. It's not helicoidal. The helicoidal form is on the DNA. The DNA, if you see, is like an helix, but double, and this one is only one. Differences between DNA and RNA. The first one is that on the RNA, the nucleobases doesn't have base pair. Instead, on the DNA, they have base pair. The second one is that the RNA has only one helix. Instead, the DNA only has 2 helix. The other difference and the final difference is that on the RNA exists the uracil. Instead, in the DNA only exists the thymine. The replication of DNA. The replication of DNA is a process in which the RNA and the DNA works together. The RNA join the DNA, but only in the nitrogenous bases. The nitrogenous bases that join itself are guanine with cytosine, thymine with adenine, but adenine doesn't go with thymine. The adenine went to uracil. And then the RNA go outside the nucleus to create proteins. The conclusion. The conclusion is that the RNA and the DNA are very different. But the RNA with the proteins that it creates defines the work that the cell needs to complete.